in northwestern Illinois.
Not funny!
County in northwestern Illinois until 2:30 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the
We got the thunderstorm warning now.
6 miles southwest of Pearl City to near Lanark, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. These are very dangerous storms.
There's a very dangerous storm!
Gusts and nickel-size hail.
But there's a very dangerous storm.
Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes
This
will
ain't
be heavily
good.
damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations affected include Freeport, Lena, Pearl City, Cedarville, Davis, Dakota, German Valley, Rock City, Rydot, Buena Vista, Lauren, Rock Grove, Orangeville, Kent, Leroy,
What?
Damascus, Scioto Mills,
Not yet.
Elmville, and Stevenson County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Girls, what you been doing all day?